Okay, a quick little word. If your Volkswagen, this is my fastback, was driving it and started hearing a squealing. There you go. That's what I have up front. There's a few lines. There's a chipping underbody paint stuff, whatever. If your Volkswagen starts making a little bit of a squealing noise, and I thought my backing plate was rubbing on the rotor. So I've been putting it off, and only to find out that it is the brake pads are gone, and the squeaking part, as you can see, it's a little shiny there on the edge. See it right there, tip of my fingernail. Here, I'll just take that away. So this part here was starting to touch the rotor, basically, and causing the squealing like normal. I didn't think it was the brake pads. I kept going, no, it's backing plate. Something happened. I hit something on the road or something like that. Well, I drive this car a lot. It's got a lot of miles on it. And sure enough, I tore it down and put these things in here like, I don't know, like 4 years ago, maybe? Well, maybe I did, and they're gone. It's time for a new set. So here you go. Yeah, this one's not quite as bad. It's not quite there. Let me see. Well, it's pretty dang close to rubbing, if you could see that. There you go. So, well, got to put in a new set. But a little word of advice: if you hear the, it sounds like, well, here, can I duplicate it? Here. There you go. If you hear a little bit of that, then you know it's time to replace those dang brake pads. All right, simple one. Have fun. Okay, so I have this little bitchin' little tool. It's a little ratcheting tool. It's for spreading calipers. And I love this little thing. I don't know if this is Blue Point. Snap-on, there you go, Snap-on. And it's got this little lever. You can flip it down and then you can ratchet the other way. Right now I have it closed all the way. The problem is the overall width of it won't fit into the Volkswagen caliper. Here, I'll just take it out just so you can see. Oh, no, don't break. Oh yeah, lifetime warranty. So I can't get it to go in because it's just a hair too wide. And this is going to put in there just to spread back the little pistons on it. So I'm modifying. Got to make it work. Come on. All right, this is hard one-handed. There we go. You can see I've already gotten a little bit down. A little grinder, and then basically I got to take it down a little bit more. I'm not going to show you any video of me grinding because I only got one hand, so sorry. All right, so here's the tool installed. I've already, as you can see, I ground it down and then I hit it real quick, the wire wheel, because I didn't want to cut myself with the edge. He's basically slipping it in, so I got it opened up so it fits over the rotor, and it's basically going to push the little pistons back, and then it's a ratchet. You just there it goes. Now it's gotten hard. Keep going until it basically stops. It's awesome. I use this tool a lot. There you go. Put the little rubber part slides on here. But there you go. That's about tight. And then you can undo it. Go the opposite way real quick. There you go. It should allow you to install. I have some of that brake spray. But I think I'm going to be redoing all these brakes within the next, hopefully, couple of weeks. So I'm just putting this in here for now. Come on! There it goes. Snug fit. I don't think she's going to cooperate. Alright, I need my other hand. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I'm working on the front brakes on this thing, and I'm laying on my side because it's just really comfortable. And of course, I'm looking at my oil lines I have underneath. Yes, I have an oil cooler up front and a fastback. And then I look, and I don't know if I can zoom in on this. The wrong way. There you go. Okay, so there's a seat bolt. And you see the little bit of feather attached to it? And then you go over here. There's another one, and I think I hit one of those low-flying birds. I don't think you made it, because that if I'm going fast, that would hurt. That catches your back or something. But sorry, I'm a bird killer suddenly. Oh well.